everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm your host, and as always, I'm joined by my fantastic co-host. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing great and super excited because today's episode is about something very important for every English learner, the simple present tense.
Yes, and to make it easy to understand, we're going to use a little story between two friends, Liza and John. One of them feels shy about speaking English, and the other helps him gain confidence.
That's right. Let's listen to their story and learn step by step. Let's get started.
I want to tell you something, John.
Tell me what happened, Liza.
Actually, I feel very sad.
Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me all the time.
Why do they laugh at you?
They laugh because my English is poor.
Oh, I see.
I try to speak, but I make mistakes.
Do they laugh every time?
Yes, they laugh almost every time.
That is not good.
I feel afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English.
But you must try.
I try, but I fail.
Do not worry.
How do I improve?
Start with simple present tense.
Why simple present tense?
Because it is very important.
How is it important?
We use it every day.
Really?
Yes, we use it to talk about daily life.
Daily life.
Yes, daily life.
Can you give examples?
Yes, I give examples.
Okay, please.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink pee.
See? We use simple present tense.
Oh, I see. You talk about what you do.
Yes, I talk about what I do. That is simple present tense.
It looks easy.
Yes, it is easy.
Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes I speak English with my family.
Why not?
My family does not speak English.
That is okay. Then how do I practice?
You practice with friends.
But my friends laugh.
You can practice with me.
Really?
Yes, you can practice with me.
Thank you.
I help you.
You are kind.
We practice simple sentences.
Okay, I listen.
I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
I like cricket.
I like music.
You see, these are very simple.
Yes, these are simple.
You try more.
Okay, I try. Say something.
I drink milk.
Good.
Say more.
I eat rice.
Very good.
I walk to the market.
Nice sentence.
I play with my sister.
Excellent.
Do you think I can easily improve?
Yes, you can improve.
Do you feel proud of me?
Yes, I feel proud.
Thank you.
Keep speaking.
Okay, I keep speaking.
How do you practice English?
I read every day.
What do you read?
I read short stories.
Do you like stories?
Yes, I like stories. I like poems.
That is good. I read poems in my room.
Do you read aloud?
No, I read silently.
Read aloud.
Why?
Because it helps you speak.
Oh, I see. You should practice speaking every day.
Okay, I will practice every day.
Do you watch English movies?
No, I do not watch.
Why not?
I do not understand.
Watch with subtitles.
I do not like subtitles.
But subtitles help you.
Okay, I will try. I watch English movies every week.
Do you enjoy them?
Yes, I enjoy them. I watch Hindi movies.
That is fine, but you need to watch English movies too.
Then start from today.
Okay, I will start from today.
Tell me more sentences.
I clean my room.
Good.
Say another.
I write in my notebook.
Very good.
I listen to my teacher.
Nice. Continue.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
Excellent.
I play with my brother.
Perfect.
I sing a song.
Wonderful.
I draw a picture.
Good job.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play cricket. I play badminton.
Do you play every day?
Yes, I play every day.
I play only on Sundays.
Why only Sunday?
Because I work on other days.
Oh, I understand. Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play with my friends.
Do they speak English?
No, they do not speak English.
Then speak English with me.
Okay, now I speak English with you.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, I eat ice cream. I eat chocolate ice cream. I eat vanilla ice cream.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
I do not drink coffee.
Why not?
Because I drink tea. I drink tea sometimes. I drink tea every day.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk. I drink milk too. I feel happy when I speak with you.
I feel happy too.
You listen to me.
Yes, I listen to you.
You never laugh at me.
I never laugh at you.
You encourage me.
Yes, you encourage me. You are a good friend.
Thank you. I respect you.
I respect you too.
What do you do on Sunday?
I go to the market. I go to the park. I buy vegetables. I play football. I cook food with my mother. I eat food with my family. I watch TV in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I sleep early on Sunday. I sleep late on Sunday.
Do you travel to new places?
Yes, I travel sometimes.
I do not travel.
Why not?
I do not have time.
You should travel.
Yes, I want to travel.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach. I like the mountains. I like the sea. I like the trees.
Do you write a diary?
Yes, I write a diary.
I do not write a diary.
You should write,
Why?
because writing helps English.
Oh, I understand.
I write every night.
What do you write?
I write about my day.
That is nice. You can try too.
Okay, I will try. Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I listen. I listen to Hindi songs. I listen to both.
Do you understand English songs?
Sometimes I understand. Sometimes I do not understand.
That is okay. I like soft songs. I like fast songs. I practice with you and I feel good.
That is very good. Do you think I improve?
Yes, you improve every day.
Do you believe in me?
Yes, I believe in you.
Then I believe in myself.
That is the spirit. You teach me.
Well, thank you. But tell me, why is simple present tense so important?
Okay, I tell you.
Yes, please tell me.
We use simple present tense every day.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
How?
We use it for daily life.
Daily life.
Yes, we use it for habits.
Oh, habits. For example, I wake up at 7.
Yes, that is a habit. You say, I drink tea.
Yes, I drink tea.
See? It is simple present tense.
I understand. We also use it for facts.
Facts.
Yes, for example, the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100.
Yes, that is also a fact. These are simple present tense. So we use it for truth.
Yes, we use it for truth.
Do we use it for future?
Sometimes we use it for future.
Really?
Yes.
For example, the train leaves at 9 o'clock. The movie starts at 6 o'clock.
Oh, I see. So simple present is also for timetable.
Exactly.
Why do you say it is most important?
Because beginners need it most.
Why?
Because daily talk is in simple present.
Daily talk.
Yes, daily talk. Like, I eat, I drink, I go.
Oh, yes, I use it always. That is why it is important.
Ah, I understand now. When you speak with friends, you use it.
Yes, I say, I go to class. When you speak with teacher, you use it.
Yes, I say I do homework. When you speak at home, you use it.
Yes, I say, I help mother. See, you use it everywhere.
Yes, I see.
Thanks for joining us on English Talk Time.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, English gets easier when you enjoy the process.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.